Right now, leading edge of the storms pushing into Fairfield. You need to be in your tornado safe area there. Okay, so that's the latest up in Wayne County. Quick look at Clay County, leading edge of the storms just west of US 45. So Louisville, Flora, game on for you. Main line about to push in from the west there. Any part of that line could produce a tornado. Now we continue south down the line. Fairfield, again, you're right on the leading edge. It looks like US 45 right now is marking the eastern edge of this line of tornadic thunderstorms moving into the western portion of the tri-state. Out ahead of it, we continue to see the supercell that is pushing through the Carmi area. It's still heading up Illinois Route 1. And now it looks like Crossville will be the next community in line. And as I mentioned earlier, once this gets out of White County, it will more than likely travel right up Illinois Route 1 to Grayville and then up toward Mount Carmel and potentially Allendale, perhaps the southeastern corner of Edwards County here. So it's going to be a 1-2 punch for those folks that are getting this storm, because you have to deal with this one and then the line that's coming in from the west. So again, working multiple storms right here. We've got a live picture here. Let's go back to the live. Is this a photo or a live picture?
This is a live picture from David Shepard.
Okay. All right. So this is a live picture from David Shepard in our First Warning Mobile Storm Tracker. And there it is. That's a wall cloud, folks. It looks like a fist sticking out of the base of the storm here. I don't know if you can put me over the picture here real quick, but there it is. You can kind of see this wall cloud, and it's just protruding out of the base of the storm, and that's what's going to be rotating and could potentially produce a funnel cloud. David, are you seeing an actual funnel or a rotation?
It is right in front of me, and it is, yes, there is rotation involved. Can you see that from your vantage point? Are you able to see that, Wayne?
Yes, we can.
Okay, that is rotating. I know it's kind of hard to see from this camera angle, and it's rotating right in front of me. It's very close to Route 1. It actually looks like it's I need to get out of this location, but that is what you're looking at, is a funnel cloud and lowering cloud.
Yeah, so right now it looks like at the very least we've got a funnel cloud, and it looks like it's in the process of pulling perhaps out of the north side of Carmi, and it's going to be heading up toward Crossville. David is back changing position to get into a safer location, but you just saw it, a live picture of that rotating wall cloud that is trying to descend and perhaps produce a tornado, and it's that storm right there that we've been tracking on First Warning Doppler radar. Now pulling out of the Carmi area and will be moving up toward Crossville. So it's that Illinois Route 1 corridor that we're concerned about here with that supercell. The other concern is the main line of storms now coming in from the west, crossing US 45 in Clay and Wayne counties. Fairfield, the most intense part of these storms, are just off to your west. So anywhere within this line, there's the potential for an embedded tornado. These are going to be more difficult to pick out simply because of the nature of how they're organized. It's in a line, whereas this one is all by itself. That's a classic supercell, and this is more of a linear line of storms, and within that line, we're going to see embedded circulations that could produce tornadoes. So that's kind of the situation right now. Let me reset the table, pull back here, show you the big picture. Nothing else in the tri-state right now. Still quiet across our Kentucky and Indiana counties, but you can see all of this getting closer and closer to the heart of the tri-state.